host. Oh, Golden's parents the host.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Aparna
So
ma'am,
are you there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Shazia ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Aparna ma'am.
Yeah.
How are you?
Great,
I'll
great.
just make you the
I'm
host.
good. Yeah, okay. So will you be there with us or shall I continue with the meeting?
I'll be on and off. Is it all right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, I'm absolutely fine. You please take care. Yeah. Okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, see this one.
Okay. So all of us, now let's get ready. Wow, that's nice, Ali.
Wait.
That's beautiful. I loved it. Very nice. Wow. Very nice, Khadija.
Ma'am, I cannot
You cannot see my...
screen.
Just a minute.
Yeah, ma'am, now you can start. Black.
Aparna ma'am, I have made you co-host. Is it all right or I'll make you host?
Yes. No, I'm fine with it. It's just I wanted the meeting to be recorded. That's all.
Okay. I'm just recording the meeting.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
can carry
So
on with
all
the
of you,
session.
can you see me? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we can see you. But I
Okay.
cannot see.
So now we are...
Black.
Who is that? Who can't see me? Ali?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you, Mustafa Kazi?
I'm fine. There is no.
Okay. So I don't know why you can't see. Can everybody else see me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I think there is some problem at your end, Musfira. Just please check once.
I leave and I log in again. Okay.
Okay, do that. I'll wait. Okay. So now all of you, let's just get ready with your papers. Okay. And we will be using, now I will just change my screen. Okay. So we will be using blue color. Okay. Both the blue colors, a little bit of green color, and also a little bit of crimson color. Okay.
What is
And
the
white.
color? Ma'am, we have to take dark blue or light blue.
You can take both. You can take both or either one. Okay. It's up to you.
Ma'am,
Okay,
now
so
I can see everything.
Good.
Take only light blue, only light blue.
Okay,
Like this.
Okay. Sorry.
Ma'am, which green? Ma'am, what colors do you have to take?
See, we have to take a blue. You can take any blue. You can take a light green. Light green. So take the light green, Khadija. Yeah.
Ma'am, what? Crimson.
Yeah.
What is
Crimson.
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 We want to
Okay,
take
hold on.
dark blue.
You can take any blue. Take both the blue if you want, or take any blue.
But I only have the 4 million and
Okay. So now, hold on, all of you. Hold on. So now listen to me, okay? All of you mute yourselves. Just mute yourselves, okay? There is too much noise happening. You all won't be able to listen to the instructions. So now just put...
hold it like this or like this.
Hold it vertically, okay? See my page. You can see my page. It's vertical. Vertical means standing. Keep your book standing, okay? Yeah.
Like this.
Who is that? Just a minute. Today I don't have. Yes, Zainab. Yes, Zainab. Right.
Like this.
Yes, like this, Zainab.
4 million and red.
Okay, so use the red color. And now all of you, I want all of you muted, please. Mute yourselves. Ali, mute yourselves. Good. All of you mute.
Ma'am, do you need black?
No, we don't need black right now. Okay. So now, please, all of you now just listen to me. No talking in between. Okay. So I'm going to start with the painting, and you will have to first stop all your work and just observe what I'm doing. Okay. So just listen to me and just look at my screen. So this is my page. I'm going to take a dark blue color, and this is my plate. I'm going to remove some color on the palette. Can you see that? I will just add a little bit of water to it, just so that it becomes smooth. Okay, little bit of water. And I'm going to take my sponge. Y'all can use a tissue. If you have a tissue, you can use tissue paper. And now I'm going to just apply this color. Okay, so water should not be too much. Okay, so take
Ma'am,
less
I
water.
want to take sponge.
You can use your tissue paper. Okay, so whoever has tissue paper, that will also work fine.
Ma'am, can we use cloth?
Yes, you can use cloth also. You can use your cloth. Okay, so can you see this? I'm just applying the blue color on my page. Okay, did you all understand what I did just now?
Can I start?
Yes, now you can start. So you can either take a light blue or a dark blue, whatever you want. Okay.
Ma'am, I have Prussian blue, but it's
Okay.
dark.
Yes, so you can use your Persian blue, and let's get started now. Okay. So now I started my coloring from one corner of the page. Okay. And as I go down, the color is going to become lighter, right? So doesn't matter. You can leave it at that and continue down. Can you see the shade here? It's become light. So that's okay. So I'm waiting for all of you to get started. There should be more color pigment than water. So take very little water. Otherwise, your entire painting will become watery, and we don't want that. See, I got some nice light shade in between. Okay, so when your tissue starts becoming a little dry of the paint, you can still continue, so you will get a lighter shade there.
I do my dark blue, but it is coming light blue in my page.
Show me.
See, I use dark blue, but it is coming light blue.
Okay, so you know what you have to do? You will have to use a little more color, okay? Don't add too much water to it. Add
But
more color.
you said light blue is fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. But this is your dark blue you are saying, right? So now what you have done is,
Only, but
there is more.
ma'am, it's my light blue. That's why I am using
Okay,
dark.
okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. So now listen to me. You use
ma'am,
the
see
same blue. Just a minute. Hold on. Hold on. So you use the same blue and use more color and less of water. Okay. Yes. Very nice, Musfira. But you have to start at the corner. Can you see my entire corner is covered? You have to color your entire page. Okay, Musfira? So don't leave any white space. Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Khadija, that's excellent.
Ma'am,
Very good.
see.
Who is that? Yes, Omar, very
Umar.
good. Yes, good, good.
Ma'am, we don't. We can do it with the paint also, na? With a paintbrush.
Yeah, you can use your paintbrush also.
Ma'am, we can use another tissue also.
Yes, use
But I
another
have
tissue.
only two.
So, the one which you're using, has it got spoiled, Musfira?
Yes.
Okay, so now the next tissue that you will use, what you do is, don't put too much water to it. Okay, because of the water.
First tissue only. I can do it on paintbrush also. Now I can use paintbrush.
Yes, you can use paintbrush. You can use paintbrush.
I've done it.
Who's that?
Ali. I done it with the blue. And my painting water is also gone now.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Ve-
what have to do?
Yeah, that's very nice, Ali. So continue.
What you have
Keep.
to do?
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead and see how much I have covered, right? So just go ahead with that.
Ma'am,
And
see,
now
I
what
have
I'm.
covered this much.
Who is that?
White also. Hummus.
Yes, Umar. Yeah, that's nice. You can still go ahead
Ma'am,
with it, okay?
to do it on the full page. So now what we have to do, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we
So,
have to do the full page blue.
yeah, we have to do the full page.
Can
So,
I
we are
make
going to
light
use different color. Yes, you can use light blue also. So, now what I'm doing is I'm adding a little green. Okay? 1 second, I'll show you. See, after
Ma'am,
I
light green or dark green?
light green. You can use light green.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm also
So now,
using
can you see?
it with my white color.
Okay,
Ma'am,
white color we will, hold on, white color we will be using in the last. Okay, so don't use white right now.
Ma'am, see, this much is fine.
Just a minute, let me come to you. Yeah, that's good, Musfira. Just keep going ahead. You need to cover more of your page, okay? Blue.
I make my Mama,
Yes.
done this much.
That's very nice. Zainab, nice.
Yes. Ma'am, Musfira Sayyed.
Yes, Musfira Sayyed.
Ma'am,
Okay.
this green
Yes.
is, ma'am, this green.
Yes, that green. Light green you can use. Okay, Musfira and Khadija. Okay, let's continue now. So now I'm using a green color.
Ma'am, what you have to light green or dark green?
Light green. Light green.
Ma'am, but I have dark green.
So use dark green, no problem. So when you're using the green, we can use the blue as well. See, on my plate, there is blue and green together. Okay, so I'm just going to blend some color together and apply it. Okay.
Ma'am, my light green is not working. It's water.
So, yeah, you can do that. You can use the same side also, not a problem. And see, in case if your greens are not working, you don't have green, forget about the green. Just make it blue, okay? Make the whole page blue, no problem.
Also make the whole page blue.
Yes, you can do that. So we are making the night sky, right? We are making space here. So if you see the pictures of space, what do you see? There is not much of color. Okay, because of the light, we see it dark blue. Otherwise, it's pitch black, right?
How
But
we
here
can.
we are going to give.
Ma'am, this green is fine. Ma'am, this green is fine.
Yes, any green. Just use any green. Okay?
Ma'am, is this good?
Yes.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
want
Ali.
to decorate.
Yes.
We want to decorate in the blue color.
So what I did, can you see this? The green and blue have mixed together little bit. I'm keeping
Oh,
them both
okay, ma'am.
separate. But when I'm taking it on my sponge, I'm taking both the colors. So what I'm getting is two shades there on my page. You can see my page, green and blue. Yeah, who's that?
Ma'am, now you're adding blue.
Yeah, so I'm adding both colors simultaneously. If you can see my palette, there is green here. So I'm taking little green and I'm taking little blue also. And I'm just dabbing it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here you don't have to worry about, whether you're doing it like how I am doing. You do as per whatever color you have and however you're doing it perfectly right. Okay. We are just playing with colors, little bit of blending and all for fun. Okay. So it doesn't matter whether your green is right or light or dark or your blue is light or dark. Just enjoy this. You just apply this color, enjoy it. So what I'm liking here is I'm getting a different shade every time. Can you see my page?
Yes. Ma'am, you're doing with your sponge.
Yes, I'm using sponge. You can use a tissue or you can use a paintbrush also, okay?
I'm using sponge.
Good. So sponge, why I'm using sponge is because it becomes faster and we get the effect of the sky, okay?
This one.
Yes. Yes, that's very nice, Ali and Khadija. That's good. Okay, so what you do, Khadija, let me tell you one thing, okay? So when you're taking color with your brush, okay? Now this is my brush and I'm going to apply color on my brush like this. And I'm just going to dab it like this, okay? Instead of doing it like this, can you see my page, Khadija? Instead of painting it like this, I'm just going to dab it.
See my paper.
Okay?
Half green and half blue. Tissue paper.
Yeah. Yes, Ali. Yes. So Khadija, can you see me? See, this is how I am painting my page. Okay, I'm just dabbing it. I am not spreading the color like
But
this.
Sarah, we have the same palette too.
Wow, that's nice. I like your palette. It's a lovely flower shape.
Ma'am, mine is a butterfly.
Oh, wow.
I have also a palette like a butterfly, Zaina, but I'm not using. I'm using a plate.
That's nice, Zainab. Cute little butterfly.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and color my entire page. Yes, Zainab.
I'm gonna make a stars from the white paint.
Yes, you're right.
We are gonna sprinkle it.
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to sprinkle it with the white. We are going to take
Yes. Yes, Musfira.
You're gonna do like this.
Oh, that's nice, Musfira. Go ahead. Go ahead. We have to finish the whole page.
Like this only. That's mine.
Yes, Musfira.
Blue. With the blue, I'm making
With the blue, you can use a little green in between. Yes, Mustafa Kazi. That's lovely. Very nice, Mustafa.
light blue. Ma'am, light blue.
Zainab, that's good. Yes, you can use light blue. So now I'm using a little bit of light blue. Okay. So just finish your page by dabbing color with your tissue or your brush.
The color.
Hey. Wow.
Spreading the color. Spreading the color.
Okay, so now we finish the page. So you all can just continue adding these 3 colors and complete the entire page. And then I will see everybody's drawing.
Complete, ma'am. I don't complete.
Yeah, so do it. We have to complete this whole page.
La 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 la.
कश्मीरियों की पंगत आई थी मालूम मम्मी अभी कश्मीरी
Please mute yourself. Ali, please mute yourself. Ali, Mustira. Yeah, just mute yourselves, okay? Yes, who is that? So now at the bottom, again, I'm using dark color, dark blue.
We are not going to put purple, ma'am.
Yeah, we will be putting purple. Just hold on. You have a purple, you can use it.
Ma'am, I don't have purple.
Okay. So if you have a okay, so if you don't have purple, don't worry. If you have a crimson color, just use the crimson or the red color. Okay. Okay. So when
Color.
yes, use the crimson and don't.
What is crimson color?
Crimson is the red shade of red color. So you will be having it in your. Or if you don't have crimson, you can use.
Ma'am, I have red color.
Yes, you can use the red. Yes, Musfira. Yes, Ali, that is so beautiful. Very nice. Continue and complete the page.
Ma'am, can I show you mine?
Yes, please show me. Wow, Mustafa, that's so lovely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Musfira. That's nice, Musfira. Nice. So don't use too much water on your page. It might just tear off, okay? Be careful of that, yeah.
So much water.
Okay. So now again, all of you mute yourselves. Yes. Okay, just mute yourselves now, all of you, and listen. So I'm going to use very little crimson color. Can you see this? And I'm just going to dab it randomly anywhere. You can just use it anywhere, okay?
Ma'am, can I go washroom? Can I go washroom?
Yes, yes. Okay, can you see? So when the crimson got mixed with the blue color, I got a purple shade here. Remember we had done the color mixing? We had done that magic. So this is what I'm getting. Okay, so when I mixed my crimson with the blue, I got a purple shade.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Umar, that's nice, very nice. Yes, complete the page now, okay?
Ma'am, can I wash my hands?
Okay, so you finish your painting and then finally you can go wash your hands. Okay, because again they are going to get dirty. So I'm not going to use the red shade too much, just randomly, little bit here and there, that's it. Okay. Okay. Now finally, the last that I want to apply on my painting is the white color. So now all of you can just have a look.
Ma'am, look. This is really beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's very nice. 1 second. I'll come to you, Khadija. Yeah, show it to me. Yes, Khadija, can I see your work? Wow, beautiful. Very nice. Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do with the crimson color? It doesn't show all parts, ma'am. Everyone does that.
Who's that?
When the they missed some part of the movie. Like when they
Okay, hold on. Now, hold on. Yes, Zainab, that's beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do with the crimson color?
Okay, now 2 people are talking together and I cannot hear. So, Musfira, just hold on. Hold on.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
That is my brother. That is my brother, ma'am. The background nice. Ma'am, see mine.
Okay. Yes, Musfira Rizwani, that's nice. That's nice. Now complete the whole page, okay? You're doing very good.
But I am tired.
Who is tired?
Musfira Rizwani.
Oh, you're tired. Musfira, you were so excited about painting today. Okay. Okay, so what you can do is, Musfira, you can observe and then later on you can complete it. Okay. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
just
can I show
observe
my
my screen.
look?
Ali, very nice, beautiful. Now you have to cover the entire page. Okay.
Look at mine.
Who is that?
Mustafa Khalid.
Oh, lovely. Mustafa, it's come out very good. So I'm going to use my white somewhere in between. Can you see, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
What should we do with the crimson color? I have to paint a little bit.
So crimson, you have to just take very little crimson and just dab it on the blue shade. Okay, very little crimson.
Ma'am, what do we have to do with the white color?
So can you see my page? See, I have just dabbed my white color randomly on the page. Okay.
Answer is 3. Answer is 4.
Okay, that's it. Now I am done with my background. So now all of you, I want to see your paintings and then we will do the final stars. Okay, sprinkling of the stars.
Ma'am, see white color.
Yeah. Can I see it again?
Oh, see.
Yeah, okay. Don't take too much white. Take very little white. Okay? Because you don't want too much white visible.
Ma'am, this much?
Yeah, that's more than enough. Now use it on the entire, wherever you want to apply the white. That's it. Don't take more white, okay?
Ma'am.
Yes. Very nice, Zainab. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you. Ma'am, look at mine.
Yes, Khadija. Just a minute.
Ma'am, I have spread it a
Wow.
little bit with the tissue paper. See.
Perfect. Let it be. Very nice. It's looking nice.
I'm going to make this.
Okay,
What's
Musfira, are you
next,
doing it?
ma'am?
Yeah, that's it.
What's next? Short. I'm Musfira Sayyed. Who's talking?
Yes. Musfira Rizvani?
Yes.
Yes.
What's
Are you doing with
What's
us?
next?
Yeah. So everybody, once all of you have completed, then I will show you the last step for today.
Ma'am,
So
you got
going,
the whole page? Yeah, we
yes,
can start. Cutting the whole page because
yes, I
I
have
have done
done.
the half.
Show me.
I just done the half. Ma'am, I got the final answer.
Okay. So yes, who was that? Who has done only half page? You will have to complete the entire page, okay?
Amma, picture se dekhe to Amma sits from behind. No, we are going to make stars now.
Yes. So everybody is completed? Okay, great. Very good, Khadija. Yes, Musfira, you've completed?
Yes, I have completed the white part. I'm just spreading a little bit, folding the tissue
Okay.
and doing.
Okay. So I'll just wait for some time and then I will show you what you have to do. Then you all can complete it later, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there's two things more, the stars and the planet.
Yeah, so planets we are going to make in the next class. We are going to make planets on a different page and we are going to cut it out and stick it on this, okay?
Means we are going to cut the shade of the planets and then we are going to stick it with the glue.
Yes, we'll be doing that. Okay, so now I have taken some white color. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm just going to...
I'm tired.
Okay, so if you are tired, you can just watch the video and complete it later, okay? But in the next class, please bring this background. Keep it ready. So we make the planets and then we stick it on this, okay? So now I'm holding the brush and I'm just going to sprinkle my shade like this. Can you see?
And I'm using this. When I will shake this thing, all the stars big. One.
Yes.
Star.
Can you see?
You can see.
See how beautiful it's turning out. Okay, so what I did, I just took my brush. You can even use a toothbrush if you have. And just take white color, put little water, mix it, and then just... Okay. So these are the countless stars that are there in our galaxy.
Wow. I cannot see the stars.
You cannot see the stars? Okay, when you do it on your paper, you will see it. Maybe it's not visible here on the screen. And then what I'm going to do,
Ma'am.
yes, Zainab, very nice. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take a thin brush and only in some places
Ma'am, what you are drawing, I can't see what you drawed.
yeah, I'm showing you. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I'm doing the star part.
See, only some places. Yes, go ahead, Mustafa. Okay,
Yes,
only
I'm
few
doing
places. I'm just going to show a star which is bright and shining. Okay, can you see?
Wow.
वो गीला मत करो उसको, पेंट ज्यादा लगाओ उसको। गीला कर रहे ना तो वो डस्ट हो जाएगा। नहीं बस बताए तो दे दे। दूर दूर तक।
Can you see this? So I'll just make a star which is slightly brighter and bigger.
बड़े बड़े स्टार्स भी बनाने हैं।
अच्छा वैसा भी कर दो।
व्हाइट से कुछ तो भी।
See, can you see, Mustafa?
Yes.
This is how I did. Okay, so just a few of them, that's it.
Ma'am, see this.
Okay, so
Ma'am, Musfira,
yes, Musfira. Okay, no problem with that. What I can suggest you is a little bit of dark blue if you use. Okay.
Okay, but I can see the dark blue.
Okay, so
And
leave
look
it
at
as
my
it is. Leave it as it is.
Okay.
Yes, 1 second, Mustafa. I'll just come to you. Yeah, just show it to me again. Mustafa, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, lovely. Lovely, beautiful. Yes, Ali. Yes, Ali, do you have any issue there? Can I help you?
Using the dark blue.
Okay. So, yes, Musfira Rizwani, can I see your work?
Yeah, I'm doing.
Okay, okay. Don't worry, you can complete it later and bring it in the next class, okay?
And I almost complete.
Good. Very good. Very nice, Zainab. It looks beautiful.
And I done.
Very good, Musfira.
Now I know how to do.
Very good. Can I see?
Okay, 1 minute. I full done, then I give you. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
I do, then I show you.
Aparna ma'am, are they all done?
Yeah, almost everybody has completed. Musfira, you just have to do the stars now, right? So you have seen how we have done it. So you do
Ma'am,
it, you complete
when
your
will we
work
cut
and bring.
the planets?
That we will do in the next class, okay?
Okay.
Then I
Mustafa, you are done with the painting? Mustafa? Wow, that's beautiful, Mustafa. Yes.
Very nice. Superb. So we can end the class, Umar?
We can
Umar?
end the meet, ma'am?
Yeah, so yes, so all of you just have to make the stars now. Rest, everybody has done a great job. So we will meet again next week with this background and a plain sheet of paper, okay? And bring a few coins along with you.
I'll make a moon.
So bye-bye. Yes, we
Bye,
make a moon
ma'am.
with that. Bye bye. See you all next week, all of you.
Bye everyone.
It was fun painting with y'all. Bye, Shazia ma'am.
Bye Aparna ma'am. Bye
Bye.
Ali.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes, Musfira. Musfira, show me. Very nice, Musfira. That's lovely. Okay, see you all. Bye.
Bye everyone.